Hey guys, so what is the difference between successful people and unsuccessful people? Habits, daily habits. We are creatures of habit, and your habits influence your whole life. And to change your life, you need to change your habits. Now, successful people are just normal people with good daily habits. And you need to start to break your bad habits to be successful. So in this video, that's what we're going to look at. We're going to look at the 7 bad habits that you need to stop to be successful. Let's get to it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.
Stop wasting time. Everybody is the same. We all get a 24-hour day. Nobody gets more. It doesn't matter who you are. You can always get more money, but you can never get more time. So what are you doing with your time? The time you have is your life. So if you waste your time, you're wasting your life. So to use your time more effectively, you need a good balance in your daily routine. Are you playing too much games every day? Or watching too many TV series? Or spending your time on the wrong kind of people? You got to start to use your time more effectively to reach your goals. The more you waste your time, the longer it will take you to reach your goals. Quit listening to negative people. I mean, it's always good to get good advice, good quality advice from the right people, but stop wasting your time on toxic people that is always negative. Albert Einstein said, "Stay away from negative people because they have a problem for every solution." And I agree with him because you can never win an argument or a conversation with a negative person because they only hear what they want to hear and they listen only to respond. You got to walk this life with the right kind of people. You walk with the wise to become wise, or you hang out with fools and become a fool and suffer for it. So ignore negative people, but listen to wise people that speak the truth and that will stand by you no matter what. You gotta stop going for quick fixes. A lot of people want to be successful, but they don't want to put in the work. But true success requires sacrifice. It requires commitment, and it requires you to be consistent over a long period of time. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going in this life. The things in life that matters the most take hard work and it takes consistency, just like relationships. It takes time to really get to know a person and to build a strong relationship of trust. You know, people who always look for quick fixes in life never really improve their character. Because it is the journey that matters most, not the destination. It is the journey that teaches us to overcome obstacles, to stand up if we fall. It is the journey towards our goals that teaches us to become better. Stop making excuses. Stop playing the victim, because all of us who live in this world go through tough times. Life is always a series of ups and downs. And successful people, they don't make excuses all the time. They put their head down and they work for their goals. If you got in the habit of always making excuses and playing the victim, then you're actually a victim of your own reality. You gotta stop making excuses and feeling sorry for yourself, because if you continue on this road, you will get stuck in life. And if you get stuck, nothing will change. So stop making excuses and start making changes. Make things happen. Yeah, I get it. A lot of things in this world is unfair. Not everything is always equal, but you can either sit and complain about it, or you can stand up and you can fight for your dreams, for the goals that you want to achieve. So stop blaming other people, because you are in charge of making your own decisions. You know, for some people, they've been doing this for a long time. The habit is so strong that they lie to themselves. They've created fake images of themselves in their mind, and it is not based on reality. And then when they experience the consequences of their own decisions and actions, they blame other people for their own mistakes. And then they wonder why they can't build good relationships with other people. Why don't people like them? Why do people avoid them? If you always blame other people for your mistakes, of course you're pushing them away and they won't support you in anything. So man up or woman up and take responsibility for your own actions. Stop doing things halfway. Whatever you do, finish it. Go into something fully, all in, or get all out. There is no halfway. Gotta give it everything you got, 100%. My mom always drilled this into me when I was growing up. Daniel, if you do something, you either give it everything you got or leave it. And don't give up. We all fail, we all fall. But successful people, they don't stay down. They get up, they continue, they fight. Every time they fall, they get up. They don't change their goal, they just change their plan. Don't let fear control your life. Fear is one of the worst enemies a person can have. Fear of being unsuccessful, fear of failing, fear of the unknown, fear of change, and the fear of not being good enough. You gotta face your fear. If you don't face your fear, it will become your limit. But only if you face it, only then can you reach your full potential. Don't be lazy. Lazy people. Lazy people will achieve very little in life because what you sow, you will reap. If you put in nothing, you will get nothing. You have to have goals in your life and then work for them. Get your goals and then plan for the future. You know, a lot of people just accept their present situation. So they get in their comfort zones and they stay there. But if you just stay there and you do the same thing every day, day after day, you will get stuck in life and it will become boring. And a lot of people get depressed and they don't understand why. It is good to dream about your goals. Every night when you go to bed and you dream about the goals you want to achieve in life, it's good. But nothing will happen if you don't actually work for it. Some people will always only dream about success, while other people stand up early in the morning to actually work for it, to make it happen. So which one are you? If you want to start by improving yourself, then check out this playlist. It'll help you out and I'll see you there. Cheers, guys.